Data visualization is all about creating effective ways for people to see and understand data, whether that be through charts, graphs, and maps to see trends and outliers. You'll see examples of it everywhere, whether you're tracking a workout on an app, using public transport, or looking at the weather forecast.
One of my projects within my PhD is currently looking at how data visualization can impact and help the lives of dementia patients.
Our visualization research here at Bangor is looking at ways for people to visualize their data anywhere on any device, whether that be on a smartphone, on their laptop, or through a head-mounted display in mixed reality.
The aspects of my journey that I enjoyed the most when studying computer science would have been the way that they taught you to be creative with technology.
We have international collaborations with leading academics across the world, giving our students the opportunity to make global connections.
Dwi'n gweithio yn Internet of Things a Artificial Intelligence. Dwi'n gweithio hefo pobl yn Denmark yn wneud pethau yn virtual reality, visualisation a web technologies. Ti'n cael lot o cyfleoedd i gweithio hefo pobl dros y byd.
Our research carries through into the classroom, so our students can benefit from being at the forefront of latest developments.
Hefo PhD fi, dwi'n gallu gweithio hefo undergraduates a roed cyngor i nhw am pethau fel Internet of Things a embedded systems, achos dwi'n gweithio yn nhw, so dwi'n gallu helpu chdi.
Skilled data visualization professionals are in high demand. Our graduates are well prepared for dynamic careers in areas like data science, analytics, and business intelligence, and go on to work with some leading industry names.
I'm currently doing some research with Alzheimer's Society, Dementia UK, Denbighshire's Dementia Council Society. The fact that I've been even offered this opportunity has been amazing, and the research I can do through Bangor University has been really impactful.
So join us, embrace the data revolution, and begin your journey on a future-proof career that integrates technology, creativity, and communication.